Yeah.
I'm just wondering, like, what challenges you guys came across that you faced, and whatever they are, how did you overcome those challenges in the beginning?
Oh man. Even though we were on so many podcasts before we started our own podcast, it still seemed like this impossible task to switch to the other side of the table. It was always the excuses, right? It was like, oh, we don't have the right tech, or, oh, how are we going to find the right guests? Or, oh my gosh, how are we going to find the time? How are we going to create the guest guide? How are we going to decide on the flow? There are all these things holding us back. And what we realized it was because those things were in our way because we didn't have a strong enough why. And when we figured out that why, that's when we were able to get through all those roadblocks. And so once we realized the value to the business and how, hey, if we did this, this growth would result in the business and this impact would come and we would be able to reach more people and we would be able to help more people. Then all of a sudden it put all those little things into perspective. And we said, okay, we can figure this out. So instead of figuring out the how, though, wise people go after the who. So we said, okay, who do we know who's already in this space, who have podcasts and who we can leverage? So we reached out to people like you and we were like, okay, what tech are you using? How are you doing this piece? And we started to gather our insights.